Hello, Zoe here. I just thought I would pop on. I've just had a delivery from Stampin Up, which includes my Handmade and Heartfelt kit, which is a special kit that's been developed for World Card Making Day by Stampin Up. The World Card Making Day event is an hour long on Saturday the 4th of October, and everyone is welcome to register for it. It's free, but if you want to craft along with them, then you might want to look at buying the kit. And so as mine's just arrived, I just thought I would do a quick unboxing so that you can see what you get in the kit, and then you've got time if you feel that you'd like to order it, and then have it ready so that you can join in with the class online, or you can do it at any time that suits you. But you can also just join the Facebook event. I think it's a Facebook event anyway, but you have to register, and you can do that through the Stampin' Up website, or you can let me know and I can send you the details. And it's a free event that you can sit and watch. If you wanted to buy the kit and come along and craft with me on Saturday the 4th of October and we'll watch it together, you'd be more than welcome. So I will just pop the camera on my stand so that you can see the unboxing. Just bear with me. And you can see my messy craft desk at the same time. So this is the kit. I'm just going to sit down, just move it over a little bit, get rid of the rubbish. I've opened the cellophane. Obviously it comes in a box which you can use again or store it in, and this is what you've got. So let's have a look. So there's a stamp set, which I don't know if you'll be able to see from there, but it's got "Hello Sunshine, happy birthday, thanks so much, thinking of you, to and from, wishing you the best." So really nice, simple sentiments that would go on all sorts of cards. So put that out. You've got a Secret C ink spot, and this is one of our new ink colours. It's not black, it's not blue, it's one of those colours. In fact, it's fast becoming my new Old Olive. Old Olive for years has gone with everything, and this works really well too. So you get a little ink spot. And then the next thing I would just open is there is a box that you can use as a desk tidy, or put your cards in when you've made them. So I don't know if I'm sideways on. Let's just turn this around. Maybe I am. Is that better? But this is a really nice one-off purchase. It's got just what you need to make in it, so you're not going to end up with loads of stuff you don't want. So this is nice and sturdy. You can see it's solid card. It's got all these different pieces. It's got special super gluey tape to hold it all together. So I'm not going to make that now. And then you've got your actual kit. So you can see the box here. Let me get the cello off so it's not reflecting. I'll just slide it all out to see what we've got. Ooh. Lovely colours. And then you've got this instruction sheet as well, so you can obviously watch the video and make it in your own time. So you've got the box, as you can see, nice and sturdy, and then you've got five different card designs, all come with envelopes, and you get 2 of each design. So you've got some linen twine there, cream twine. You get a stamp block and various gems, and glue dots, sequins, gold sparkly ones, and a block, which is always useful to have another one. It's not quite the same as the normal ones that are shaped, but it's certainly a good size, and they're very useful. I've kept all my kit ones. So I'll put those to one side. And then we've got the envelopes, which are all the same, but really nice. You've got some sticky pads, dimensionals. Then you've got everything is die cut, especially for you. In fact, are these stickers? No, they're die cuts. And labels there. Then you've got the card bases, different ones that you can add different bits and pieces to. And of course, you don't have to follow the kit as it says. You can always do your own thing with it. I sometimes find if I go off piece, I get a bit lost in the weeds though, but it's personal choice. Then you've got all these layers that you can add. So different themes as well. You've got floral, you've got seashells, rainbows, and that one would make a really good, I don't know if we can see it. There's that bit of red card gone. There we go. Not that you would necessarily want red snowflakes maybe, but it would work that way. You could do all sorts of things with that. Use it as a stencil before you actually adhere it. More card bases, and then more bits and pieces, these lovely die cuts. And they're nice, they're reasonably sturdy, so they work really well. And they don't take hours unless, as I said, you want to go off-piste, which is perfectly fine. And do your own thing. Various bits and pieces, labels, more labels and dots. So lots of things to do. These would also make really nice Christmas gifts for people, because you may have nieces, nephews, grandchildren, or just a friend that you think would appreciate doing something a little bit different. It's a one-off thing, so they don't have to have everything else that you may have in your craft stash, but it makes it really nice. And as I said, they can then store all their cards in their box, as you saw on the leaflet, and put pens in, or just use it as a pencil box, or you could use it on your desk, put your scissors and things in it, and keep all your adhesives in one place. So if you'd like to join the free class, which doesn't come with anything other than to join in and watch the class, then the details are on the Stampin' Up website, and I will put a link in the Facebook group, or you can contact me and you can register. If you register, I'm just going to turn this back to me. If you register, there is, I believe, some sort of bonus. Now, last year when we had World Card Making Day, I think people got sent a coupon. Whether you'll get that this time or not, I don't know, but it does say that you get a bonus. So sign up. You never know. It may be something you don't want, but it may be something you could gift to a friend, or certainly you could use yourself. So, but to get it, you have to be in to get it. So you just need to sign up for the class. And if you want to buy the kit, you're more than welcome. If you buy it online yourself, obviously you pay your own shipping, but you would get rewards. If you don't want to do that, I'm happy to put in an order for several, and you can collect from me if you're local, or come and craft with me on Saturday the 4th of October for World Card Making Day. So I hope that you'll give it a try. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.